Everyone, welcome back to Continental Food / Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk at home. I'm going to show you 2 ways to make coconut milk. If you're interested, please keep watching. If you're new here, please hit that button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. Drop your comment and give me a big thumbs up. Let's get started. To make coconut milk, you need coconut. Here I have 2 coconuts. I'm going to go ahead and break the coconut off camera, remove the flesh from the hard shell. Here I have the coconuts washed. With a grater, I'm going to grate the coconut, and I'm going to be using the side of the grater to grate the coconuts. You can also use your blender to blend your coconut, but you want to cut the coconut into small sizes before blending. While I'm grating the coconut, I'm going to tell you all the benefits and the vitamins that coconuts contain. Coconut milk is high in vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, B3, B5 and B6. Coconut milk also contains manganese, copper, iron and many more. Taking coconut milk twice a week, 30 ml, is going to help you reduce belly fat, blood pressure, hypertension and heart disease and many more. Please remember, you don't want to consume coconut milk every day. Twice a week, 30 ml. You can also use this to cook some nice delicacies such as fried rice, coconut fried rice, jollof rice. You can even use it to cook your mai. I have so many recipes that I've used coconut milk to cook, and I'm going to link them down below in the description box. You want to check them out. Do you know you can also use coconut milk as a makeup remover? You can even use it to soak yourself in the bath. You can also use it to do your hair conditioner. There's so many things you can use coconut milk to do. After grating the coconut, this is what it looks like. To get more milk out of the coconut, I'm going to blend in the blender. To help the coconut blend, I'm going to add some hot water. After that, I'm going to blend in the blender, and I'm going to be blending for 4 to 5 minutes in a high speed. After blending the coconut milk until smooth, the next step is to extract the milk. To do that, I have my bowl and the sieve. I'm going to pour in the coconut milk into the sieve. After that, with the spoon, I'm going to press down to extract the milk. At this point, I'm adding hot water. After adding hot water, I'm also going to press down to get more milk. After extracting the coconut milk, you're going to get something like this, which is called a pulp. You don't want to throw that away. You can keep it and use it to make coconut flour. To get a smooth milk, I'm going to repeat this step again, and I'm going to be doing it 3 times. This is the finished result. This is what the coconut milk is looking like. Very easy to make. Step 1 or method 1. So let's move on to method 2. To make your coconut milk, you need desiccated coconuts. I'm going to pour some of it in the bowl. After that, I'm going to be adding hot boiled water. This is boiled water from the kettle. Add it in and allow it to soak in for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to check on the coconut. This is what it looks like. By this time, the coconut should be soft. The next step is to blend in the blender, and I'm using my small blender because this blender is more stronger. To blend this coconut, you need a very strong blender, and I'm going to pour into the blender and blend until smooth. After blending, this is what it looks like. Very smooth. This blender is better than the first blender that I used, and I'm also going to repeat the same step that I did before. I'm using spoon this time around. You can use anything you have. You can use a wooden spoon, you can use an iron spoon. Just make sure you press down to extract the milk. You can see how white that milk is. It's so easy to make coconut milk. Please, I'm going to encourage you to make your coconut milk at home, because the one in the shop, the one that comes in the tin, it's not 100% organic. So I like to make my coconut milk myself, and you can even store it in the freezer. As I'm talking to you now, I have my coconut milk in the freezer. So whenever I want to make smoothie, I want to cook, I want to use it for my skin, I'll just go to the freezer and bring it out. So easy, and it can last in the freezer for 1 year. Yeah, so easy to make your coconut milk. This is the finished result. This is how to make coconut milk. 2 ways to make coconut milk at home. What I noticed when making this coconut milk, or when I finish making it, I noticed that the desiccated coconut is whiter in color than the other coconuts. So the other coconut is more like off-white, while this one is really white. And when it comes to the fats, the coconut, the one I break myself, is high in fat. It has more fat than the desiccated coconuts. So I'm just letting you know, depending on which one you want to make or which one you want to do. Thank you so much for watching this video till this time. If you've watched till this time, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And if you're new here, you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that button, subscribe, support your girl. Thank you so much. Also share this video if you have anybody you love. Share with them, share in your social media. I will really appreciate it. Check the description box. You're going to find the list of the ingredients, and also you're going to find the video of where I use the coconut milk to cook a lot of things, a lot of recipe. You don't want to miss that. Check that out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram, continentalfood.cake. I love you all from the bottom of my heart, and I'm going to see you in another video. Bye.